What's up, guys? Running this mini RAS to fill 4 teams in Tempe's break number 254. We've got 10 spots. We're going to go 5 times, and the top 4 are going to pick their teams from Dallas, LA, New York, and Vancouver. So after those 5 times, the top 4 will get to pick. I'm going to copy the list, scroll down, post live in the thread. It was posted at 9:36. It is 9:36. Going over to random.org. We're going to post our list. We've got our 10 names. We're going to go 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp, post it over into the thread. It was posted at 9:37. It is 9:37. Back over to random.org. 5th and final. Good luck to everyone. Brandon, Daryl, Hank, and Todd. Congratulations, guys. Gonna copy the timestamp, post it over into the thread. It was posted at 9:37. It is 9:37. There we go. Thanks, guys, and congrats to the top 4.